Picture this. A world where not one but four of gaming's deadliest viruses have merged into something unprecedented. The Scorched Plague, with its ability to turn victims into crystallized, hive-minded creatures. The Blood Plague, which transforms humans into ravenous, deteriorating zombies. The T-Virus, famous for creating unstoppable bioorganic weapons. And the FEV, known for its radical genetic modifications. Let's break down what this nightmare cocktail might create. First, you'd have the hive mind aspect of the Scorched Plague. But instead of simple crystallization, victims would undergo rapid mutation thanks to the FEV. Imagine entire communities simultaneously transforming, their bodies twisting and evolving while maintaining a terrifying collective consciousness. The Blood Plague's degenerative properties would clash with the T-Virus's enhancement capabilities, creating beings that are simultaneously decaying and regenerating. Think of creatures with constantly shifting forms, their flesh literally tearing itself apart and rebuilding into new, more horrific configurations. The FEV's tendency to increase size and strength would amplify everything. These aren't your regular zombies. We're talking about 12-foot-tall monstrosities with crystalline growths that can regenerate and adapt to any weapon used against them. But here's the truly terrifying part. Unlike regular zombies, these creatures would be intelligent. The hive mind would learn, adapt, and strategize. They wouldn't just mindlessly attack. They'd set traps, coordinate attacks, and worst of all, they'd remember. Every encounter would make them stronger, smarter, and more dangerous. Survival? Nearly impossible. Traditional safe zones wouldn't work because the crystalline structures would spread underground, infecting entire areas through the soil itself. The air would be filled with spores that could trigger instant mutations. Even the ocean wouldn't be safe, as the virus cocktail would affect marine life, creating aquatic horrors beyond imagination. The only hope? Maybe the viruses would eventually cancel each other out, their conflicting properties creating an unstable genetic structure that would cause these creatures to ultimately self-destruct. But by then, would there be anyone left to witness it?